You can't do this to me faster. Faster, Ben.
Hello, I'm Ben.
And I'm Seki, and this is Literally Speaking. Ben, tell us what we're going to go through today.
Today we'll be doing a spicy noodle public speaking challenge.
Thinking about it already makes me sweat, as you can see.
First round, we'll be eating this. So after the first round, we'll be reading tongue twisters. I think we're gonna suffer, but it's okay. So the rule is like this: whoever has the most signs or weaknesses, things like
this. Oh, very hot and all those things.
Or if you start to complain and all that, it counts as a sign of weakness. So whoever demonstrates more of that loses.
The person who loses will not be able to take any cooling agent, things like milk or yogurt or anything.
Yeah.
Something like this. And the person who wins, you see the one who's holding it, right? The person who wins will get to drink in front of the other person.
For the second round, we'll be eating this. After we eat the 2 times spicy noodles, instead of tongue twisters, we'll be reading a short random passage. And today, to help determine who wins each round, we have our producers or assistants. They're not on camera, they're behind the camera, but you may hear them or you may see signs of their indication of whoever won. So they'll be a judge for today.
Are you ready, Ben?
I'm ready when you are ready.
Let's go for it. It's time to die. Just to show everyone. Judges, is it okay?
Okay. And go.
Oh, the cake is coming in.
Would you like some tissue?
My butthole.
Oh my god. You're gonna die.
I can do this.
Oh.
Sorry, Seki, this is not a speed eating contest.
Well, since I finished first, shall I go first? The counter is not starting now, right?
No.
It only starts when after my first word. Oh my god.
Whoever
The kick is in.
can deliver it in the most normal public speaker like tone and demeanor wins.
3, 2, 1, go.
Brisk, brave brigadiers brandish broad, bright blades, blunderbusses and bludgeons, balancing them badly. First one. If you must cross a crowded cow crossing, across the crowded cow crossing carefully. And the last one. I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish, but if you wish the witch wishes, I won't wish the wish you wish to wish. 3 down. Awesome.
Seki, you made a big mistake. In a competition all about making mistakes, the idea is to do it as fast as possible, but you, my friend, took your time. Whatever I showed doesn't count anymore. But now, poker face mode. Are you ready?
And 3, 2, 1, go.
Brisk, brave brigadiers brandish broad, bright blades, blunderbusses and bludgeons, balancing them badly. If you must cross a crowded cow crossing, cross the cow across the crowded cow crossing carefully. I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish, but if you wish the wish the witch wishes, I won't wish the wish you wish to wish.
Okay.
Who won?
So, ladies,
Please
who
decide.
won? Please decide.
Oh, okay. Yay!
It's okay. I'm a man.
Okay, yeah, you're older than me. Let the little boy.
Have his milk.
Seki, you must look at him when he drinks.
Okay, look at you. Don't worry, I'll make it easy.
You know, I'm actually following him to swallow. Like every swallow, I'm actually like swallowing myself.
Now that I think about it, this might be a bad thing. He's more numb already. The second round, I'm gonna be starting afresh.
Alright, and that's our first level challenge. We're gonna take a short break right now because our second noodles are not ready yet.
Yeah, you might want to wipe your sweat as well.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to go to the toilet for a while just to wash up a little bit. Alright, so we'll see you in a while. And we're back.
And we had a bit of a break, so I think we definitely look better than before.
But definitely our lips are redder than when we first started. Kisses to all of you. By the way, if to my diet coaches, I wish to say I'm sorry, but I will know what to do for the next few days.
Ready and go.
My condolences.
To the both of us.
Problem is that it's not that spicy now. It's slowly coming.
You know what's worse if you don't chew your food?
My throat will burn.
Yeah, the throat will burn. Oh, the cake. Are you feeling it already? Ben is in focus mode now.
Oh, yay! Okay, next.
Can I start?
Yes. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go.
Stretchiest skin. British man Gary Turner can stretch the skin of his stomach to 6.25 inches due to a rare medical condition called Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. It's a connective tissue disorder where the collagen becomes defective and includes the loosening of skin and hypermobile joints. I have always known that my skin was different. As a small child, my uncles used to have fun showing their friends, Turner told GWR. Stretching doesn't hurt at all. However, other aspects of the syndrome are very painful, like my joints. Largest collection of Star Wars memorabilia. The Force is with Steve Sansweet in abundance, a former Wall Street Journal bureau chief who went to work at Lucasfilm. Sansweet turned his Star Wars obsession of 37 years into a museum. He amassed an estimated 300,000 unique items at Rancho Obi-Wan in Northern California. By May 4, 2014, he'd only accurately audited and catalogued 92,240 items, still sufficient to beat the previous title holder many times over. Ben, you can't do this to me faster! Where?
Stop! Almost done!
Okay,
Good job.
Go. Ready?
Not yet! This doesn't count.
Faster, Ben!
Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go.
Stretches skin. British man Gary Turner can stretch the skin of his stomach to 6.25 inches due to a rare medical condition called Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. It's a connective tissue disorder where the collagen becomes defective and includes the loosening of the skin and hypermobile joints. I've always known that my skin was different. As a child, my uncles used to have fun showing their friends. Turner told JWR stretching doesn't hurt at all. However, other aspects of the syndrome are very painful, like my joints. Largest collection of Star Wars memorabilia. The fourth is with Steve Sansweet in abundance, a former Wall Street Journal bureau chief who went to work at Lucasfilm. Sansweet turned his Star Wars obsession of 37 years into a museum. He's amassed into an estimated 300,000 unique items at Rancho Obi-Wan in Northern California. By May 4, 2014, he'd only accurately audited and catalogued 92,240 items, still sufficient to beat the previous title holder many times over.
Come back.
Go and drink.
So I can enjoy my drink.
Hurry up.
Sit down. You cannot run away.
Hurry and end this video.
Ben.
Yes.
Because we pity him, the producers decide to sponsor.
Girls, you should really try this one.
No.
On my defense, my stomach is not as bad as Seki. So after the first round, I was already quite full.
Trust me, right? Tonight, we'll be releasing everything within seconds. That concludes our challenge for today. We had level 1, which was won by Ben, and I took home level 2. So 1 against 1. I think we did quite well, don't you think so? I know you just want to finish the video, right?
I'm gonna finish my drink.
But it's been fun, and we definitely enjoyed doing this.
Can you speak faster?
I'm actually thinking of the word save. Follow us, subscribe to us, share this video if you find us funny and you would like to see us do crazier things. And in the meantime, keep learning,
Keep enjoying.
and keep watching
Literally speaking.